Hello everybody, and today this video I want to introduce a very good function of the SIMBOX device. Yes, this one. Okay, if you bought this device and you watch my video, and I think it's a good news. Okay, so first I put two SIM card in the device, two SIM card. Okay, right. This SIM card is my SIM card, and this SIM card is my friend's SIM card. Okay, I asked him to buy a device, but he said no money. Okay, so he want to use my device and together with me. So how can I do this? Okay, my SIM card, his SIM card. Okay, I use the Google Chrome Core app to bind in the device. So in my app, I have two SIM card here, right? Two SIM card, SIM 1, SIM 2. Okay, and now I ask my friend. This is my friend's phone, for example, right? Okay, and he also need to install the Google Chrome Core. He need to install the app and make an account by his phone number, right? Phone number. This is Chinese phone number. Okay, and so. Next, there's no any SIM in this app, right? Because some people think he also need to bind in the device, okay, and scan the QR code. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not allowed you to bind in the device, right? So this is a wrong step, and now I can control the device because I bind in the device, right? Now, two SIM card. I end the device and I can see SIM 1, SIM 2, right? Okay. And now you can see there's no SIM, right? And no SIM card, right? Okay. And now I want to share the SIM 2 to my friend. And so there's share SIM card and share the calls and the messages. And now I need to enter my friend's Google Chrome Core app account. Account is the phone number, right? So I put the phone number here. Confirm. Okay. And you can see something different. And there is a share. I need to accept it. Accept. Okay, good. And now you can see I have one SIM card here, and also I have one SIM card here, and I can make a call. So that means my friend can control his SIM card in the device. Right? Okay, and now I can't receive the calls and messages from the SIM 2, my friend's SIM card. I can't receive any SIM from the SIM 2, and only my friend can receive it. And I can only receive my SIM card, SIM 1. Okay, but the only thing I can do is this: stop share the device, the SIM card to my friend's phone. So I only have one SIM card here. I can only use SIM 1 to make a call and send a message. But in the device, there's still two SIM cards, right? And so this is two people to use the same device, and no need to buy another device. Yeah, this is a very good function. And now I want to stop it, right? Stop it. And you can see if I stop it, what happened? Okay, my friend can't use the SIM card in the device at this moment, and I think he need to ask me. I pay you money, and you put my SIM card back, and then I can use it. Okay, good. So this is how to share the SIM card to other people. Yes, it's very easy, right? Good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.